Hi, my name is Cintia Cortez. I am the Policy Analyst for Restore the Delta. Part of my work with Restore the Delta is helping coordinate the Delta Tribal Environmental Coalition, also known as DTEC. It is formed by Shingle Springs Band of Miwok Indians, the Winnemem-Wintu Tribe, and Buena Vista Rancheria of Miwok Indians, and Restore the Delta and Little Manila Rising. We are represented by the Stanford Legal Clinic. Together, we advocate for equitable water management of California's water resources. After years of lack of change in California's water management to account for impacts to tribal communities and environmental justice communities, DTEC decided to take action. In December of 2022, DTEC filed a petition for rulemaking and civil rights complaint with the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency against the State Water Resources Control Board. The State Water Board has been in violations of its statutory duties under both the Clean Water Act and California's Port Cologne Act to review and update water quality standards for the Bay Delta, and that has disproportionately impacted tribal communities and environmental justice communities. In August of 2023, the U.S. EPA accepted the civil rights complaint for investigation. As of April 2024, the petition for rulemaking is still pending. The U.S. EPA is investigating the Water Board's violation of Title VI of the Civil Rights Act. We demonstrate that the board's failure to update the Bay Delta Plan in a timely manner is causing disparate impacts to tribal communities and the South Stockton community. Furthermore, the State Water Board's process have excluded communities like Stockton that are the most impacted by their decisions. In our new series, Guardians of the Estuary, Community Leaders in the Delta, we are uplifting voices of community leaders in Stockton to demonstrate to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency that the Stockton community, one of the most diverse cities, is in need of immediate relief.